This is the OXG motor. Let me introduce. Electric start kit for KTM 85. Let's take a closer. You all concerned about a problem. Where is the battery placed? We are put the battery on this air filter box. But the original location, it is the installation location of our meter. We need to cut off the bracket of our meter before install the battery. The original position of the hour meter is at this position. Remove the battery. You can see it. There used to be a bracket for an hour meter here. The hour meter is installed in this location. Then we need to cut the two small bumps, just a little plastic bracket. Then move the hour meter to this position. Secure with zip ties. This doesn't have any effect on the bike. This is the only thing we need to modifications on the bike. Then put battery in. This is the best place where the battery can fit. Then our battery. Just put it in directly. The seat will press against battery. It doesn't move. This is the only place in the whole bike that needs to be modified. Okay, now let's look at the main part. This is main case. We made this shell as thin as possible. Make it smaller than the width of the bike body. So when we are riding, our boots are right up against the frame. It won't touch the shell. And this is our charging coil. We utilize our patented structure. This structure generates electricity independently. We will not replace any electrical parts from the bike. That means, under extreme situation, even the kit is damaged, and your bike can still riding normally. It just lost the e-start function. This is also what we are more concerned about. Because when you in racing, or when you are out riding, it must be able to let you go home normally. So, bike shouldn't be breakdown cause of a modification parts. Our shell is pale gold. This is an aluminum alloy hard oxidation process. Like OZ wheels and some other aluminum alloy parts, they has same color. It's the natural result of the process. It makes the aluminum surface stronger, more wear resistant, make this look more durable. The charging power is 50 watts. Probably riding on the track is about 2 to 3 rounds. A round is about 15 minutes. It can fully charge your battery. Our battery is a 2 amp battery. This is what we calculated on paper. If you're a beginner rider, you only ride at 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, that might take longer. If you are a high-level rider, if you often pull over 9,000 RPM, you may only need 2 rounds. Can fully charge the battery, then 50 watts of power. For one of these 16 kilowatt engines, it's just a very small burden. It hardly affects your motivation. This has already been verified in our dyno test. Let's look at the electronic part, the part under the number plate. We take closer and look inside the number plate. Installed what we need for this system, all electrical appliances. It's very small. We can see it from the side. An aluminum bracket is mounted on the triple clamp. That's our coil sending the power to charge the battery through the rectifier. It's really lightweight. It not affects your weight balance. Okay, about the start method, we're using a dry approach because the bike has no oil here. And then if we put oil in it, we'll increase the weight of the bike and more complexity of your maintenance. So we use a dry start approach. We have a pop-up gear. Only when you start, it will connect a big gear on the flywheel, then start, and when it's started, it retracts, which means when your engine is running normally, there is no contact between any parts, no extra loss of your engine power. Okay, let's review the design ideas of the whole kit. Well, this is a competition bike, so riders really care about the 3 things that we also really care. One is performance, one is durability, another one is lightweight. So we start from these 3 points to design the whole product. This product is perfect for 2 type riders. One is a beginner, because if you just start riding dirt bike, may a lot engine stop. It helps you start the bike quickly, keep your practice. Another one is a high-level rider, because when you are racing, you will definitely compete every intense and possibly accompanied fall down, but close to the podium. You need this product to assist you quickly restart engine when you mistake to keep racing. Then we also configured we have an extra, a waterproof plug of charging. Can help you in 5 seconds start charge the battery. Fully charged, need 1 hour. You can even remove our charging mechanism. Then make your engine not any power lossing, and it can also reduce the weight of your entire bike, about 0.4 kilograms. Then only use external plug for charging. In gap of racing, you can fully charge the battery, and if the battery is fully charged, it can start the engine up to 100 times in a row. That means, if your battery is fully charged, a normal level rider, in the 3-day schedule, there is no need to charge the battery. Okay, let me show the start. Before we start it up of the first time, we need to verify that it is installed normally first. We're going to kick few times. Slow test. Is your engine working normally? Then see if there is any abnormal sound in this shell. Let's kick it slowly. Make sure there are no abnormal noises and friction inside. And we're going to kick start. Start your engine normally. Then it shows that the engine can work normally. And then we can start using our electric starter. Now you got more connectivity. Thank you for watching.